Hi everyone, I'm Jen from FASE, and today I'm going to talk to you about 5 essential pieces of equipment to get you started with music production. Number 1. A DAW. Now what does this mean, you may be wondering? And it actually stands for a digital audio workstation. So this essentially is the heart and soul of what you will be doing with music production. A DAW is something that you will use to mix, record, edit, and master all of your music in. So it's pretty important that you pick the right one, or at least pick one that is suitable for your needs. Some of the most popular DAWs include Pro Tools, Logic Pro, Ableton Live, GarageBand, and they're all amazing. You just need to figure out which one is right for you. Pro Tools is seen as the industry standard, so if you want to become a studio engineer or producer who works in a studio, I definitely recommend that. But it can get quite expensive and they have different versions of the software, so please do check that out and see if it's something for you. Logic Pro is really amazing. It has a wide range of built-in instruments and plugins that are very easy to use and really great for how much it costs. It's only £199 and used to be the DAW I recommended to everyone, especially if you're just starting out and learning. I find it very easy, the interface is great, it has a ton of instruments to use and plugins that are amazing and will definitely help you grow from a beginner to an advanced producer. Ableton Live is amazing for electronic music production. If you're into looping things and live performing, that is definitely the DAW for you. GarageBand is perfect for beginner producers as it comes already installed in Macs. It has more limited features than in Logic, but if you're just getting started, it's all you need. The second essential item that you will need is an interface. Your interface allows you to record from your microphones and guitars, connect to your speakers and headphones all through this device. This is a Scarlett 2i2 and I've had it for years. It is a proper workhorse. I've literally thrown this in backpacks, suitcases, traveled around everywhere with it. It is literally, I think at this point, indestructible. My third essential item is microphones. I've got 2 kinds here. They're both condenser mics and they both have recorded vocals, guitars, violins, weird sounds, whistles, literally anything you can think of, these have probably recorded it. This was my first ever microphone. It's an MXL 770 and it has served me well, let's say that. It's something I really recommend to everyone. It's a really great quality microphone for the price. I think I paid about £70 for it, and compared to what else is out there, for 70 quid you're not going to get much better than something like this. So either this or the MXL 990 is also another good option, but it's just a good starter mic to get you on your feet and get you going. The other microphone I have is the Rode MT1A, which retails for about £120, I think I've seen it, and it comes with a shock mount and a pop filter. The main difference that I've found from these microphones is the Rode sounds a little bit brighter. I'd recommend though, if you're trying to save some money and just want to play about and experiment, then the 770 does a wonderful job. Now the fourth thing I recommend is a MIDI keyboard. This is an M-Audio Oxygen 25 and it's pretty good. You really just want a MIDI keyboard to control your instruments in your DAW. So from your pianos to your strings to your drums, you want something to be able to control them on. Because let's be honest, writing them in note mode is tedious and no one wants to do it. What I really like about the Oxygen 25 is it has a bit of everything. It has the keys, it has the drum pads, it has the knobs, it has the pitch bends. I have had MIDI keyboards in the past that are smaller and don't have kind of any of the features that are on here, and it does limit you a lot, so sometimes it's good to just buy something that has a bit of everything. So yeah, number 4. Last but definitely not least on my list, and number 5, is headphones. These are my Audio-Technica M50Xs and they're amazing. I've used them for years, I love them, they are well worn and they're great. They're really, you get a really good sense of everything that you're trying to create in these. Now you don't have to get these exact pair, but I would recommend getting a pair of headphones that are specifically designed for music making and mixing. If they are a bit out of your price range, they do have cheaper options in the Audio-Technica range of these headphones, so definitely check them out. And that's all I have for you today. I hope you've enjoyed the 5 essentials. If you found this video helpful, then please give us a like and a subscribe, and you can join the FASE community below for more tips and tricks on music production. See you next time!